What's up, y'all? So I want to get on here really quick and do a stocks to watch video for this week. So let's just hop right into this. The first one I have is CARA ticker name. This is CARA Therapeutics, guys. This one's already moving this morning. I believe from when I read on StockTwits that the share price of this one is up in Germany, which is causing it to move. But they do have a pending FDA approval for today for a medication. So let's go over here and read up on this. I don't know if it's Corsava. These medication names are just too much for me. But the FDA decision on the medication for the treatment of moderate to severe itching issue. It's an itching issue, guys. I probably sound like a damn one word I say, but itching, scratching, okay. And hemodialysis patients. It looks like they do have priority review, and there's currently no approved drugs for chronic kidney disease associated with this issue. It looks like the market potential looks like 500 million peak sales, according to some analysts. I went over to their pipeline. This looks like this is the only medication. It looks like they have the injection, what they're seeking approval for today, and then they have oral for the rest, guys. But this is the only medication they have in their pipeline. Guys, if this do not receive FDA approval, oh my God, this thing is going to slam. I couldn't even tell you a realistic price of how low this would go if it does not receive FDA approval. I'd say like $7 to $8. And then like after that, it just keep going down. Unless they follow up with like a good ass PR statement or something to clean this up. But if they do receive FDA approval, this thing is going to fly. But like I said, be very cautious with these FDA approval stocks because at the end of the day, it's a 50-50 chance. Don't ever get on StockTwits and read on a FDA approval stock. They're going to literally stroke it. Let me stop. They are literally going to gas you up to believe this thing is going to receive FDA approval. And like I said, it's 50-50 chance, so be very careful. But like I said, if this thing does receive FDA approval, it's going to probably fly up because it's the first of its kind for that issue with the chronic kidney disease. So that's major. That is very major. According to tip ranks, it looked like they do have a $25 price target, which is an 82% upside from where they're at right now. I will have all this stuff in my pinned comments below so you can read over this, okay? So the next one is ALRN, guys. They will be doing an update on phase news for one of their medications. Like they will be attending a meeting, a scientific meeting at that, from the 25th to the 28th. And between those days, they can definitely give an update on their present phase 1B2 data on ALRN 6924 at this ISEH virtual scientific meeting. It says shares of ALRN did go up the last time the company updated on the chemoprotective agent aimed at treating patients with non-small cell lung cancer undergoing chemotherapy. Like I said, the share price did increase after receiving update on phase news. So again, this stock is probably going to be very volatile once that news come out. Also, they do not have any options, so you can only buy shares of this stock. So I'm probably going to buy a couple shares of this stock, play a little bit with this one, since they do have the potential to go up. Guys, I wanted to go back over to the CARA and just show you the options for this one. I forgot to do that. If you could see, people both are definitely betting both ways with this. So right now, currently, the share price is $14.41. It looks like the open interest is 4,717 and the volume is 483. I believe the highest one you can go up to is $25 and people are betting on that also. These don't expire to September 17th. I went over to the puts, and the lowest one you can get under the share price right now is $12.50. As you can see, the open interest is 691 and the volume is 855, which is pretty high. Also, the $10 ones, open interest is 2,900, and then you got 750. I mean, people are betting on this thing going down. So I mean, it is a 50-50 chance. We don't know. So I don't know if I may get into this one. I may watch out from the sidelines. This is risky. I would definitely want to get in if this thing went down though. I'm gonna be jealous if it don't get approval, because y'all gonna make a nice hefty piece of change off of it. And if it do get approval, I'm gonna be jealous too, because y'all gonna make a nice hefty price back on that one too. But it's too risky. It's just too risky for me. I don't know if I want to even do this. But back over to the ALRN, guys. I will post below so you guys can read up on this clinical development status for this drug and see what's going on with it. Also, their price target looks like it's $3.50 according to tip ranks. The highest is $5 and the lowest is $2. And that's a 243.14% upside for the stock. 3 buys, 0 holds, 0 sales. So I would definitely look into this one and see what's going on. They don't have that on there, but okay. Let's go over to COTY next, guys. So if you don't know what COTY is, were really put out there after they acquired 51% of Kylie beauty brand, very popular beauty brand, Kylie Cosmetics. That's Kylie Jenner, who is the sister of Kim Kardashian. They also have acquired a lot of different other companies, so they're just not rolling in money from her. I mean, they're rolling in money from a lot of the big brands you guys know of. So I would definitely check out this one because they do have earnings, I believe, on August 26th. Let's go down and look at this. Yes, so August 26th pre-market, okay? Definitely pay attention to this one. Guys, I was reviewing some of their buy calls, and I mean, the interest, the high open interest in these is definitely high as fuck. I mean, we're talking about $15,000 for their $8 buy calls. Volume is at 733. Even the 850 is high. 1,959 for the volume. 10,000 for their $9 calls. And then on their puts, it's really not even any open interest on them. Honestly, it's not. So they do have earnings, and I could definitely see them going up. I don't know for sure, though. Like, earnings is 50-50 too. So be very careful with that, guys. Also, on Thursday, there will be the 3-day Federal Reserve retreat starting. Okay, so from Thursday, I guess, on to Saturday? But at 10 a.m. on Friday, Federal Chairman Powell, he will speak about the central bank's economic outlook. So be very cautious, guys. The market can get a little funky after he start talking or before he start talking, because people start to get nervous and panic. So, because you just never know what he may say. So be very cautious on Friday about that. Even Thursday, I would start being cautious, because who knows who's going to speak on Thursday. The 3-day event, it starts on Thursday. So be very careful, guys. But that's all I wanted to come on here and talk about. If you have any stocks you'll be watching, please post them below. I will have all this information in my pinned comment box. If you could please just subscribe to my channel. Also like my video. But thank you for watching. Bye.